Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in the lecture number 1 of Microsoft project. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about how we can do the initial setting of the project, any sort of project. Okay. After that, we will see how to do the task management. Then we will look into the WBS, okay, and the durations, right? So likewise, we will prepare some video lectures which will help you to prepare a proper project which can generate the proper reporting provided as per the planned versus actuals. Okay, but before starting this particular video, guys, if you don't yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribe because this is my new channel and for my other channel you can see the link in description box. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you can see this kind of interface is not as starting up. Okay, first of all, the interface you it will like this. Okay, you need to click on new. Okay, click on a blank page. Okay, like blank project. After that, you need to again click over here and go to the options. Okay, here you need to set up the basic requirements, right? First of all, the default view. This whatever the default view you want. You want the Gantt chart with the timeline like as it is showing over here, or you want the something other extra, only detailed Gantt, only Gantt chart, only the timeline you want that also you can put. But here we are not going to change anything. This is what the basic requirements. The date format you can change if you want to change. Username, it's my name, my initials over here. Office Teams, what you have to, this is not the basic requirements. Okay. After that, calendar. We will set the calendar after this, right? Symbols like your currency symbol first you need to put over here. My is INR, Indian currency. Okay, so it automatically reflect the rupees symbols. How many decimal digits you want to put that you can put over here. Okay, and after that you need to click on entry bars because we want to know what are the entries is going on. After that, come on the schedule, just click on that like week start on Sunday and it end in like fiscal year start in January. Most of the countries having their fiscal year starting from the other months, that also you can consider. Now the working time, like in the morning 8 to evening 5 o'clock, okay, like I am putting at the 6 p.m., right? So this is what we have to put, okay? Or we can just like what you have to do, like 8 and 6, this is what you have to put, okay? After that, hours per day, we want to allow them to work for 8 hours per day, okay? 40 weeks per 40 hours per week and 20 days per month, right? After that, you need to put here as schedule as a auto schedule, okay, not a manual schedule, right? After that, you need to click on the proofing. No need to do anything over here, right? Save, you need to make it as a auto save. You can do auto save, but most of the time these things like create some critical issues. That's why it's better to not click over here. Now you can see if you want to save somewhere else, you can just browse and save the project. Okay. After that, languages, if you want to do any changes, you can do the changes. Okay. So that's it. Here you can do some default work like what is the cost per hour that you can provide over here. Okay, default standard rate, but here we are providing the default rate as a zero because we don't know like how much cost we are going to incur as a default. Okay, default means like minimum cost what we are going to ask. Okay, that's it. If you want something apart from that, like developer options, if you want something like anything from this window, you can select here, click on add, you will get over here, right? If you want to change something custom ribbon like this one, you can do changes over there also. Okay, and if you want to add something extra, right, like the Excel add-ins and all, you can do these things here also. Just click on OK, right? After that, when you click on OK, remember that now you need to first save your project. So I'm going to browse this, okay, and I'm going to save this particular project on my desktop. Let me do the save, okay, just give me 1 minute. Project, right here, and we are going to provide the name as uh, G plus 10-story building, okay, planning. right? Save. Like this, you need to prepare. Okay. After that, when you prepare all this scenario, just go to the project and here change working time. Okay. When you click on change working time, it will reflect you the standard calendar. And guys, calendar is one of the important portion. Okay. If you don't know how to do the calendar work, it means that you are not going to understand it properly. You are whatever the project planning you are going to perform, it is totally null. Okay. So this is a standard calendar. Here you can see this particular color reflect the non-working, this color reflect white color reflect the working. Okay, this black color it means like totally black color it means it is a present date. Okay, then there is exceptional date also like the non-working days defined by these and this color defined by the exceptional one. Now here something very important. If you want to do some changes over here, first of all we will create a new calendar. So we want to do the copy of this particular calendar itself. So we will create a make a copy of standard calendar. Click on OK. Instead of standard calendar, you also have the 24 hours calendar, night shift calendar, and the standard calendar also itself, right? So you can you can provide a different name also, but I just, okay, let's do something extra. Okay, G plus 10 weekly. Okay, I prepared like this. I'll prepare of the standard one. Okay, wait a minute. G plus 10. Okay, so now there is one more question, guys. If you don't know, okay, there is one question from my side for you, all of you. You need to comment this particular question answer in the comment box. What is the difference between the project and like Microsoft project and Primavera P6? Okay, that is one of the basic questions I would like to ask from you guys. If you know the answer, please make the comment soon. Okay, so now first of all, you need to click on the work weeks, okay, and click on the details. So here, first of all, you need to put the details like the working hours and all. So here, first of all, click on Sunday. Use project default times for these days, not like that. If you want to put this Sunday as a non-working, just select the Sunday, click on this, set as a non-working day, non-working time, and click on OK. Again, click on details. Monday, you can see over here 8:30 to 12 already. Here the time is provided. If you want to change, you can change the time. Okay, I want to do just some changes over here. Okay, so just click 1.302. Okay, just wait a minute. Here one, this one like 3026. Okay, like this time I want to provide. Okay, copy Tuesday, Control V. Here also not change. 1:30 to 6. Okay, like Tuesday, Wednesday. Here also 1:30 to 6. Okay, Thursday like this 1:30 to 6. Okay, Friday. Okay, here also like whatever the earlier one 8:30 to 12 you need to provide here. Okay, 8:30. It is 8:30. It's 8 only. Yeah. So 8. Okay, 8 to 12. Okay, 1:30 to 6. Right? Saturday we are going to set as a non-working time. Okay, just click on OK. Now after that we now finalize our work. After this, if you want to provide Saturday as a non as a working day, just go to the details, select Saturday, set as a detail like working day. Okay, 12 here put as a 1:30 and put here as the 6 and click on OK. You can see this is this getting removed now. Okay, now exceptions like the holidays. So like 26 January, okay, is the holiday for like everyone. So just type the title. Okay, just go over here, select the particular particular time. Okay, like in 2021 I'm going to select now. Okay, 26 January. okay, and it will finish on the same day. Now go to the option, okay, just wait a minute. Go to the details, okay. Here you can see this particular date of 26 January is only for 1 year. No, it is recurring, right? So what we have to do, we need to increase the occurrence yearly, okay, and okay, okay, can see end by here no need to do anything here. Recurring pattern, you need just click on yearly and click on OK. Okay, it means that it will occur every year. Right. Now, after that, you can put the other holidays which you want to provide to your workers, right? That you can put over here and put the start date and finish date over here. Okay. Now, after that, just click on OK. Now, you can see this particular calendar is now as a default, but you need to set this calendar as a default. So, how you can do this? Go to the file. Okay. Here you can see the project calendar. Go and select over here G plus 10 story. Okay, now whatever the start dates of the project, today we are going to start, just click on today. Okay, so everything you need to put, like what is a particular date, how we are going to analyze it, how we are going to modify it, all information you need to put over here. Okay, if you provide any some statisticals related options, any advanced properties like this, let's see like the subject, okay, like summary, the subject, the author, the manager, company name and all that you can put over here. The statistics you can put, the content and the comments and all these things. Okay, that is not matter right now. But yes, now you can see it's changed to G plus 10 story building. Understand? Now, after this, you can see we now set up our project. Now, remember one thing, guys, in like in Microsoft project, you can add the sub projects. Okay, by clicking over here, you can add the sub projects, but you cannot work more than one project side by side in Microsoft project. In Primavera, you can work more than one project, but in Microsoft project, you cannot work more than one project. The reason I don't know. Okay. Simply because it is his working culture is different, their working culture is different. There is a enterprise formulations over there. Here formulation is totally different. It's kind of Excel based system. That is a total like online based system. Okay, so there is a total different scenario what we have. So what we have to do the first this kind of changes. Now after that, when we comes to the all management of the project, so first what we have to do, just come here, go to the task. From here you need to select all tasks as auto schedule. Okay, make sure your all tasks are auto schedule. Okay, right. Now, here you need to type the task, duration, started. But what I used to do, I used to insert, okay, I used to insert the column of the WBS, okay, here, which helps me to give the very good information, okay. Or you can move this particular column here also, okay. Most of the people put here, some people put over here, okay. It's depend upon the people information, okay. So first of all, I'm going to provide the details, like here I'm going to provide the details for project name G plus 10 story building. Okay, right? So this is what my project title, control B, and I'm going to provide the yellow color to this particular tab. After that, I'm not going to provide any duration over here. This duration are going to calculate by the overall activities. Okay. Now, first of all, the let's see the what we can do, documentation. Okay, documentation what we can prove, but this documentation needs to come under this main activity, this main project. So we need to indent this activity. Okay, indent means what? We need to provide that activity in a, like we need to provide this the activity in the other activity. Okay, so what we can do, just click like this. Okay, so you can see the WBS become 1.1. Okay, so this become 1.1. It means what? This activity come under this activity. Okay, now if you want to make outdent, okay, it means if I click like this, it means this activity is not having any relation with this activity. Okay, as of date, still we not yet defined any predecessor. But if you define any predecessor, then whatever the relation will be there, it is defined properly. But as of now, based upon the indent and outdent, there is no any linkage between these two activity as of now. Okay, now I want to make the outdent, then and only then I can get the duration over here. Remember guys, we no need to apply any sort of durations over here. Never provide any sort of the duration, okay, on the indent active, like the main activity, main WBS, okay, or the other subject WBS also. So here what we have to provide the duration first of all. So I'm going to provide the duration like as a I require 25 days for all documentation or planning and all. So you can see the 25 days is assigned here and the task is assigned here properly. You can see the Gantt chart, right? Okay, now after that there is other work is like the mobilization. Okay, after completion of all documentation work and all everything, we will go for the mobilization of plant machineries. Okay, machineries. Okay, like this. And this particular activity I want to indent, okay, under this itself, under the main project. This particular task is going to take 20 days, okay, and you can see this task is created. Now after that, I want to provide the predecessor. Like what is predecessor? Like the linkages, okay, like after what particular activity will start. So after this documentation, my this particular activity need to be start. But here I want to provide the activity like this, like as documentation start, I want to start this particular activity after 5 days. So what I can do, I'm going to just double click on this particular activity. Okay. Now you can see, go to the predecessor. Okay. Here you need to provide the task. Okay. The ID is what? Two number. So just put the two number here. Just put two number. You can see the documentations come here. Now, what I told you, as activities start, okay, as activities start, this particular activity will remain start. Okay, so here we have to provide the lag of, okay, 5 days. Okay, just put the lag of 5 days. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see if you provide minus, it will go like it will start before of this particular activity. So what we have to go do is just double click here. Okay, click 2 over here and just click here start to start and just click 5 days. So what it happen, like as this activity start, after 5 days this particular activity we will start. Okay, so this kind of scenario we prepared in with the respect to the predecessor and the successor linkage. If you want to see the successor linkage also, what you can do, just click here, right click and insert column and type successor. Okay, so you can see the successor over here. The successor will be definitely reflect because you are providing the predecessor. As the predecessor start provided, successor is automatically generated. Okay, similarly guys, we are going to perform the different tasks in coming lectures, which helps us to understand how this particular project can be prepared, how the project can be modified, the total helps to identify the total duration, total cost, total machineries, total manpower, resource and all. With respect to that, you can identify the tracking, daily based tracking in the Microsoft project. Okay, so I hope you guys just like my video. Okay, if you don't yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you so much guys. Have a bye bye.